BTB Kicks here, and today we are cleaning 30 pairs of shoes, a new record in the shop, all dropped off by one person. He had a house fire, and we're gonna see if we can do them in one day. So I'm actually gonna put 8 hours on the clock, and we're gonna get busy. But in this bucket, I have the majority of the pairs, and then he came back and dropped off even more. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can do it. I got GoPros at each of the boys' stations. I'll also be wearing a GoPro, and then as more of the boys come in, we'll start getting more camera angles. So without further ado, let's get that clock started. As you all can see, like, some of these are cooked, more so than others, but yeah, we'll bring these back. But without further ado, we got 8 hours on the clock, and we're gonna start now. Check it out. Yes, sir. Best cleaner on the market.
Got one slide done. Moving on to the next.
No more smoke on these. The Cure by Crep. Use code BLA10 for 10% off.
Right shoe difference in that color. Those bottoms, that beautiful.
I'll hit these with acetone, with darker spots. Bring them back to life. And yeah.
Tackle the insides. That's where most of the odor is being held at. Gotta get these. These will come back for new for sure. Let's get it.
Next pair. Pairs are not that bad. Try to get the smell out.
Play out the sun already. See that difference? Look at the vibrance in the red. We're done. Bottoms are mint, looking new. Got the sock liner, everything in there, looking clean. No mess.
We'll probably start it at like 5. All right, so I had to switch out my battery on my GoPro, but we have 7 hours and 8 minutes left. We're making great timing. We're still under an hour. And how many pairs do you have so far, Anthony?
3.
3? What about you, Diego?
Third, I'm about to be on my phone right now.
So 3 and 3, and then this is what pair for you, Kaden?
My second.
Second? Got you. And I'm about to start my third. So what's that? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're 10 pairs in already in under an hour. sick. That is sick. So yeah, well, let's keep cooking.
Third pair down. Wasn't that bad. Just the smell. You want the smell out?
I just finished these. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. This is my third pair. I just did 2 cherries, and yeah.
So,
If you hit start real speed, it acts like
not bad. Just the bottom.
You just have to make sure to say like.
These are sixes. Sixes are usually a pain in the shop, but these don't look like they'll be too bad. Just light on water, preserve the uppers, and detail wire. Make sure to not get any of wire on the actual paint, because then you have spend a lot more time than you thought you did on the shoe, having a color match and then repaint it to look good. So always take your time right here. Look at that. Results.
Trying to get the other one.
Not a major difference. These weren't too bad. You can definitely tell on the uppers. Not as ashy.
Fourth pair done. Putting these into the wash as well.
Pretty easy, not gonna lie. Look brand new.
They're looking icy. You don't even need an ice with these. Looking good. On to the next.
So I just wrapped up my third pair. Now I'm gonna be moving on to my next pair. Check out what we got in the bucket. We got those, and then we just got a little bit left in that bucket, but we're doing good. We got about 6 hours in it, so we're about 1 hour and 15 in. So yeah, buddy. All right, so this is my next pair. This pair is clearly cooked. So I'm on my next pair. Yeah, it's gonna go crazy.
Right here. Looking bad. 6 hours and 50 minutes left, so we're doing great on time, for sure. While maintaining that quality, of course.
Starting with this pair. A little dirty. Not too crazy.
Look at the gray. Uppers. Beautiful.
What a difference.
Look at that, yo. First one's already clean. Looks like some marks that wouldn't come out on this one, but overall, this is my fourth pair.
Done with my fifth pair, on to my sixth. Way better. When we gonna end up washing these, you know that.
All right, we just finished up these. They're looking good. Now I'm moving on to my fifth pair. Went crazy. They look like brand new now. Like, come on, we the best. We do this. That's
Turning on.
Looking pretty good. Looking pretty nice. Looking brand new, I'd say. Other than this little discoloration. Looking nice. Grade school lows. Looking nice. Look at that already. One obviously got more. Oh, look at that. Dirty.
okay. Yeah, about to go crazy. Gonna finish these pretty fast. So we can get on to the next one.
Look at that fall over.
Some Air Maxes.
It's not Chicago. midsole is not gonna come back fully. Maybe when we throw it in the ice chamber, should be good. But look at that difference. That's crazy.
Done. My 6th pair. Light. Bottoms came out better. Not to my 7.
Looking way better than when they did before. There's still minor stuff. We have to use acetone right here. It's a deeper burn mark from the fire, but they're looking good. Look at these. They're pretty chopped for sure.
My 7th pair. Weight erase. Or the cook.
Not bad.
And for sure brings back to life for sure. What a difference. Come on, what a difference, bro.
Done. Look at that. Look at the difference in dirtiness, bottoms. Looking nice.
All right, y'all, we're checking in. We're about 2 hours in, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs left. Dog, we're smoking these pairs. How many pairs you got, Anthony?
I'm in my 7th pair right now.
Oh, what about you, Diego?
I'm also on my 7 right now.
What about you, Katie?
I think I'm on my 5th or 6th. I don't know.
Oh,
I think it's 5th.
I think, yeah. No, you're probably 6th because I'm at 5th right now.
Yeah.
This is gonna be my 5th pair. Yeah, bro, we're cooking, bro. We're cooking.
Looking pretty good. Throw in the wash. Gonna be on to our 8th pair.
7th pair done. On to our. It came out nice. Like, everybody.
Low-key lost track of count, but I'm on my next pair. Yeah, so get at it.
Check it out. We got these now. The 11s. This is gonna be a hassle to clean, but we got it.
Got these, low key. Not that tough of a clean, just muddy for real.
So,
Here you go.
Alright, go. Brand new.
yeah, they were way worse. They're gonna be hitting these with acetone. Bring it back. Oh, look at that.
Looking nice. Look at that.
Just finished these up. Literally look brand new, bro. You know who do it best in Chicago, bro. Yeah.
I did the midsoles once again with some acetone. These babies look brand new. I'm on my next pair. Last pair in the bucket. All that.
All right, y'all. So finished up my pair. They're looking great. Just gotta literally get the laces knocked out, and then Diego is working on the last pair, and we literally have just crossed 3 hours. So 3 hours it took for us to knock out around 30 pairs. So that's 10 pairs an hour. That's insane work. Yeah, let's cheer Diego on to knock out this last pair. Sir.
Yeah. Can't know that.
We finished. Let's pause this. We finished at with 4 hours and 55 minutes to spare. So I think if I do the math, that's like 3 hours and maybe 5 minutes that we took to do 30 pairs. Yep. Everything's good.
That's insane.
Yeah, we did it, y'all. We straight did it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. We knocked it out. Let us know how we did in the comments down below. And like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video.